Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings in Amritsar location. It is from Punjab. So I am going to include the jobs for either freshers or experienced candidates. So let us see what are the jobs available in this video. Firstly, there are openings available from Byju's. So they are hiring for the field sales positions. So it is only for male candidates. So coming to eligibility, it is UG or PG passed out students, and also you should require laptop and internet connection, and also you should have knowledge in any language with English. So both fresher and experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Coming to salary, during the training period it is 5 lakhs per annum, and after completion of the training you are going to get 8 to 10 lakhs per annum package. So if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, and if you want to know more detailed information about this position, you can also check in the official website link mentioned here. Next one, there are openings available from Grain by Elgin. So they have vacancies for the position of bartender or bar captain position. So the candidates should be confident and also having good knowledge of beverages. So these are the qualifications required to apply for this position. If you want to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from KentCam Technologies. So they are hiring for the position of area sales manager. So the candidates should require graduation or MBA or PGDBM. And coming to experiences, about 10 years of experience is required in biometric attendance systems, and also experience in face-based attendance solutions, link preferred, and also experience of both the direct corporate sales 90% and partner-led corporate sales 10%, and rich experience and existing relationships with the IT heads and HR heads. So these are the experience details. So if you want to apply for this area sales manager, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to next one, there are openings available from Golden Sarovar Portico. So they are hiring for the following positions such as HR, executive, captain, and stewards or senior stewards positions. So if you want to know more detailed information about these jobs, you can check in the official website link mentioned here. So next one, there are openings available from EY India. So they are hiring for the HR Analytics Assistant Manager position. So let us see what are the qualifications and experiences mentioned here. So the candidates should have 5 to 9 years of experience, and also like the candidates from Big 4 or IITS are preferred, and scouting candidates that come with excellent hands-on experience in Microsoft Power BI and analytical skills, and also the candidates should require strong understanding of HR functions, and along with the massive data analytics dashboard, and possess top-notch communication skills. So these are the qualifications and skills required to apply for this position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from TransPerfect. They are hiring for the content contributor for data collection study. So let us see what are the qualifications mentioned here. So the candidates should require a high-speed internet connection, and also a mobile device capable of taking photos greater than 2 MB and videos greater than 720 pixel. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from Vega Intellisoft Private Limited. So they are hiring for the Docker admin position. Let us see what are the qualifications and skills mentioned here. So the candidate should have knowledge of Docker Swarm and on-premise Docker with MongoDB environment and Portainer, and also knowledge of the use of Linux to manage the Docker, and also very good knowledge of Linux, SSH, Portainer, and all these things, like and also ability to add new servers into a Docker container environment, and also create and amend existing containers, and be able to manage, configure, and optimize a Mongo database. So these are the skills and the qualifications required for this position. So if you want to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from TB Alert. They are hiring for the district team lead. So coming to qualifications, the candidate should be postgraduate with MSW or MPH or MBA with background in life sciences, and also 5 years of experience is required in NGOs, and you should have knowledge in MS Office and knowledge of the development principles, development sector landscape, and technical sector updates, and also should have at least 3 years of experience in development sector and handling a team, and building successful collaborative relationships with internal and external stakeholders, and experience of working with national TB or HIV program in a managerial capacity will be an added advantage, and must have two-wheeler with valid driving license. So these are the desired skills and experiences. So if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from Vega Intellisoft Private Limited. They are hiring for the Gentran position. So the candidates should have an exposure in studying Gentran server for Microsoft Windows experience with 6 to 8 years of experience. And you can see here some of the responsibilities and details mentioned here, like you should be set up configuration of Genron system partners, build maps, graph maps, system import, and process control events and sessions, communication mailboxes, and ability to upgrade Gentron system and environment, application mapping development, and able to write C++ for Gentron hooks and sessions, and system monitoring and alerting, and ability to write in Gentron extended language. So you can check here with the rest of the skills mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.